In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use location groups in Google Ads if you manage multiple stores, service areas, or territories. Location groups can save you a ton of time. They let you bundle sets of locations once and then reuse that bundle across campaigns, targeting, and extensions instead of selecting the same locations over and over. Here's how to access them and what to look for along the way. First, go to Google Ads and sign into the account where you manage your campaigns. If you work across multiple accounts, double check you're in the right one because location groups are saved at the account level and you'll only see the groups for the account you're currently in. Next, click Tools. Depending on your interface, this may appear as Tools and Settings with a small wrench icon at the top right. This menu is your control center for account-wide resources and setup areas. From there, click Shared Library. Think of the shared library as a place for reusable assets, things like audiences, budgets, and, in our case, locations, that you might want to apply across multiple campaigns without rebuilding them each time. Within the shared library, click on Location Manager. This area is where Google Ads organizes your business locations and the collections built from them. If your Google business profile is linked, your store list often appears here. If it isn't linked or you don't have physical locations, you'll still be able to work with custom location lists depending on your setup and permissions. Now click on Location Groups. This is the hub for the actual groups you'll use across campaigns. A location group is simply a set of locations you've grouped together because they share something in common. Maybe they're all in a specific metro area, a sales rep's territory, or a cluster you want to test with a unique message. You can reference a group when you set campaign location targeting, use location extensions, or structure Performance Max and other campaigns by region. A few practical tips while you're here. Use clear, consistent names that reflect geography or purpose, like Northeast Retail, Tier 1, or Service Area, West Suburbs. Keep membership criteria consistent so performance comparisons stay meaningful. Remember that changes to a group ripple out to every campaign using it, which is great for speed, but it also means you should plan updates intentionally. And if something looks missing, check your account permissions or whether your business location's feed is linked and up to date. That's it. To recap the path, Google Ads, Tools, Shared Library, Location Manager, and then Location Groups. Once you're here, you have a central place to organize and standardize how you target and report by place, making your campaign simpler, faster, and more consistent.